So if I wanted to quickly add from my Google Drive or from my computer onto my It's Learning course, I'll need to go into the course I want to add the resources to. And then over here, there's the quick add button. I'll click that and I'll see some options here. So if I want to add from my Google Drive, I'll select that button. And the first time you use this, you might have to sign into your BCS Google account and allow It's Learning to have permission to your drive. And it basically just wants to get your confirmation on that so it can pull up your drive. If you've used Google Integrated Assignments in the past school year, then you probably won't have to do that, but just in case, that's what you'll need to do. And you can add anything from your Google Drive, and I mean anything. So in the past, you could not add anything from a shared folder. Now you can. Team drives on Google are no longer called team drives, they're called shared drives. You can add resources from there if you would like, or resources that have been shared with you can also add easily onto It's Learning. So when I find the resource I would like to add, I'll click it and I'll click select, and then it takes it a second to load. When I see the confirmation message, if I click where it says resources, it will take me to the resources tab, and then I can see where it's been added to my course, where I can then go and put it into different folders if I would like, or move it elsewhere. And it does embed things from Google Drive on here, even if they're PDFs like this one, which looks pretty nice. If I wanted to add something from my computer, I'll click the add button again, go to my computer, and then I will find a document if I want to add one, and I'll click open. And again, it tells me that it's uploading it. Depending on the file size, sometimes it takes a little bit longer. If you have a pretty big PowerPoint file, it might take a few minutes maybe, but it will load. And then again, I can click resources and it shows me where that resource is, and it does its best to try to upload this or embed this on there. Sometimes it takes a little bit if it's, again, a PDF with a pretty big file. And there we go. That's how you can quickly add things from your computer or from Google Drive onto It's Learning for your students to see.